What's good, guys? It's Magoon. We're not back in the shop, we're back in the driveway. We're about to start the cleanup on Pops, the neglected CRX. I haven't touched anything yet, so I wanted to get some before and after. So I wanted to show you exactly what we were dealing with before I touched or removed anything. I'm gonna remove the seats first things first. Got some B's up in here. When I said B series, that's not what I meant. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is pull the seats and hopefully show you guys what a little TLC can do to a neglected old CRX. Alright guys, seats are out. Show you what we're dealing with. I'm gonna start on the front here. There's a lot of shit under the cargo box, whatever it's called. So I'm gonna have to take that apart, but I don't want to do that right now. So I'm gonna start up here and get the seats out. The passenger seat is really not bad. It'll clean up well, and it can definitely be saved with a new skin reupholster. The driver's seat, I don't know, it could probably be saved too, but it's definitely not great. We'll still clean them up. We'll get out the steam cleaner, make them presentable, and yeah, go from there. What's good, guys? It's Magoon. We're back in the shop. It's the next day. Forgot how much space having two cars in the shop takes up. It's a little depressing, but it's great to see them together, huh? What do you think of the phone dials on Pops here? Old 1G CRX phone dials. I don't hate them. I'm not sure I love them, but I don't hate them. I think they look pretty good. The Steelies looked all right too, but the tires on those things were shot. So even if you don't like these, they're gonna be on for a minute because the tires on these things are much better. They just need air. We got a little done on Pops yesterday. So what do you think? He's looking a little better, smelling much better. Still smells like an old ass Honda in here. But he's cleaning up pretty good. I mean, really, this carpet needs to be pulled and washed or replaced. But I don't have the energy for that right now. Maybe eventually I probably will. But for now, he's doing a lot better. And I still need to get from the seats back. But we'll get there. A little bit at a time. We just got a nasty storm today, so didn't really put any work in on Pops, but he's coming along. So stay tuned. Thanks, guys.